Hello guys, once again welcome back to Human ESL YouTube channel. As I promised you in the beginning of this channel guys, I have promised you all that I will bring all the new launched websites where you can earn online money while doing small jobs or do mine these cryptocurrencies. So guys, I have brought you a cool website which was launched yesterday. This is a brand new website guys. Once you registered on this website, you will get 100 gigahertz free for mining. So than taking much time, I will show you all how to do the registration on this website. So the same time, I want to request you all, if you all haven't subscribed my channel, please subscribe it now and click that bell button to stay tuned with me for these cool websites. Whenever it launched, I will surely bring to your, so you can start working on these websites. So guys, than taking much time, I will show you how to do the registration and how to start this site. So I request you all, do this fast, don't be late. Still the website is new, and start your mining and earn more referrals. For every referral you will earn, you will get 2 gigahertz free. So than taking much time, again I will show you how to do the registration. So the website name is bluemagic.cloud. This is mainly a cloud based website. So the link for this website I have already put in my description, so you all can go to the description and take this website link and go to this website. Once you go to the website guys, it will show like this. So as I told you, here see the free gigahertz what they are actually giving you as a gift once you registered on this website. So what you have to do is, once you are in this website, you have to register. So click the registration button. Here there is nothing much you all have to do. Just enter a username, a familiar name for you, and your email address. Again you re-enter the email address and password, and the password again. Just accept here and click here, then click the registration button. So once you click the registration button, it will automatically redirect you to the website. So once you are registered guys, it will show the website like this. So again, since I have already registered on this website, so that's why I didn't enter those details over there. So once you enter to this website, it will show like this. So I'll just show you how to go and do the mining. So first of all, I want to tell you all, in this website they are offering you Bitcoin, Bitcoin Cash, Ethereum, Litecoin, Dogecoin, USD. So you can do mining for all these things. So see here, as I told you, they are giving 100% 100 gigahertz. Since I registered to this website today, so I haven't done any withdrawal. I don't have a balance right now. So I will show you all how to do the mining. So go to this, click this button, mining. So here see, I have already start using my 100 gigahertz. See here I haven't actually. I'll tell you something. The best thing is, the fastest what you can mine is USD. So the best thing is, go to USD column here, increase your full power, give your full power of gigahertz for that. So start mining USD. Why I'm telling you all that? This is the fastest you can get, since the website is new. And the special thing in this website is, you don't want to do any investment. In this free account, they will allow you to have withdrawals. So what my suggestion is, mine as much as possible in USDs and do the withdrawals. So since this website, the reviews I have seen so far for the past 1 day, this website is giving payments. So what I am requesting you is, try to find more referrals so you can increase your gigahertz, plus you will get more mining options. So here, since I told you that I have given the full power of my gigahertz for USD, see here it's already started mining. And these I haven't given, I am also waiting for referrals to come. So once the referrals are there, I will also start mining on these other cryptocurrencies. So guys, than taking much time, please register to this website, start mining today, since you are getting 100% 100 gigahertz. So there's nothing much to do. You just need to do a small login only. not much details you have to give. So I'll show you the website. Just we'll go through and I'll just show it to you. See guys, here still the investment which people have done is 22,055 only. So here 4,880 users are there, and it is only one day it is launched. So guys, so I request you all to be fast, don't get late, because this website is offering you withdrawals on the free account. So don't miss the chance. Today itself you register it and start mining. Since you don't want to invest much time, you can start it today. So here per referral see you are getting 2 gigahertz, and there is a level of your referrals. I think you have some slabs here. So once you have the level 1, you will get 9% of gigahertz, and when you are in second level, you will get 6% of your gigahertz. So here is an calculator. You can do that calculator as well. So guys, as of now, this is the things which I have studied on this website. If I get to know anything, surely I will let you all know. If you all have any questions, please put a comment below. I will surely update you all, and I will help you all, and I will tell whatever the things I know. And if you find any new things on this website, please put a comment and tell to me also, so I also can try it out, and the people who are watching this also can try it out. So guys, if you all haven't subscribed the channel yet, please subscribe it now and click the bell button, so you can see this, you can get to know these new websites where I will introduce you all soon after it is launched. So guys, I invite you all, please register to this website, start mining today. Description, you can find my link in the description. So please let me know if you find anything, and if you have anything to know, please put a comment. I will reply to on that. So guys, I will come back to you with another video how I do a withdrawal on this site, since I have only a limited USDs which I have mined. So once I have passed the threshold, I will do a withdrawal and I will give you all the proof. So the other thing I forgot to tell you all is that this is having a minimum withdrawal amount of $1. Means when it comes to $1, you can do the withdrawal. So an awesome website, try it out and let me also know if you all have any concerns. So guys, until I see you again with another video,